Hello friends, welcome to Reading Zone. In this video, I am presenting some computer fundamental advanced questions and answers. What is URL? Answer D. Address of a page on the internet. @ chosen for use in email addresses in which year? Answer B. 1972. Who developed Yahoo? Answer C. David Filo and Jerry Yang. Abbreviation OS means? Answer C. Operating system. What does UPS means? Answer D. Uninterrupted power supply. Abbreviation CD means? Answer D. Compact disc. Compact disc can hold how many minutes of music? Answer A. 74 minutes. .jpg extension refers to which file? Answer D. Image file. .tmp extension refers to which file? Answer C. Temporary files. .txt extensions refers to which file? Answer A. Text file. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. What was first ARPANET message? Answer A. Lu. DTP means? Answer B. Desktop publishing. BAK extension refers to which file? Answer A. Backup file. .mpg extension refers to which file? Answer B. Movie file. .mov extension refers to which file? Answer B. Movie file. Which part of database hold only one type of information? Answer C. Field. DB abbreviation refers to? Answer B. Database. .ini extension refers to which file? Answer A. System file. What is FMD? Answer C. Fluorescent multi-layer disk. SSL stands for? Answer A. Secure socket layer. CPU stands for? Answer B. Central Processing Unit. Thanks for watching.